Hey guys, welcome again. So the should I call it the last segment of the web page? Now I'm going to call. I can give this the grouping element that I'm going to use. I can use aside. I can still use article again. All right. I can use article again. I can use a div. So it does not matter. Yeah, someone might be thinking, okay, we already use article. Yes, you can use another article again. It is when you get to CSS, you can there are some pseudo elements that we can use to select which particular grouping element we want to style or which particular element we want to style. You understand? By the time we get to CSS, we can do that. So you can use what's it called, article again. It does not matter. You can use article again. It does not matter. You can use div, but yeah, let me use div. Yeah, let me use div. Let me use div. You can see it changed to div automatically because of my extensions. We have div. Then you can see as you're writing, you'll be seeing the output here. So these images are what we want to do right now. These are what we want to do right now, right? So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so let me go back to the full desktop. So this is it. Now, okay, we have, which element is this? Which heading is this? This heading, if you look at this heading, you see it's a bit smaller than the previous one. So this is H4 element. Then we have related related posts. Related posts. Now there's something I want us to note here. Now what is that? You can look, if you look at these pictures, if you look at this picture, you will see they have bullets. Each one of them has bullets, right? This small black dot, just like this one we have above here. This one we have above here. You can see the dots here. That is another list. That's another list. So that means the images were bulleted. Should stand. I don't know if there's any English like that, but you can see there are small dots there. So that is bullets. So we have to apply bullet to each of the images. So you have your HUL, then you have your headline. Inside your headline, we have our image, then source is equal to image source is equal to images. Then what is this one called? The first image we have here should be related one. Yes, related one. Then we have ought to be, what's the name of this person? Let's say Jonas. Let me copy. It's my notepad. Okay, I don't have it inside the notepad. Wow. So that's Jonas. Let me just say Jonas. Then I close my image. Then I have the paragraph. Okay, before my paragraph, let me say I have how. Okay, that's a link. That's a link because the link anchor tag href. Let me just make it static. We are not going anywhere. Okay, make it static. So there we have how to learn web development. Then we have paragraph, a paragraph by Jonas Watts, school, schoolmate, Medma, right? Can I see this very well? Try to zoom this. Yeah. It's my right. Okay. So let's see. Wow, the image is very big. So let's apply our width, which is, so we give it width of 50, then height of 50. Let's see if it will not be too small. I think the image is too small. Let's make it 75, or let's see. Let's try this first. 75. Then if it is not, then we'll try it. I think it's fine. Yes, this fine. So I think we are fine here, right? So from here, I have the second list here. Right, okay. So li. Then I have my image img. So images. I have my related images related to, there is this person, Jim Dylan. Okay. Right. 75, which is 75. Okay, very good. Then we have href. Then we have the unknown, power of css. For the third one, I'm going to duplicate this so that I can just modify it. Okay, so I just duplicated that. So this will be related image 3. Then was the name by Hilda. Then we have JavaScript is awesome. So can I see the preview? What's going on? Okay. Okay, I think I have. There should be a paragraph there. So you put your P by what is this? Jim Dillon. So we have another P here. A paragraph here by see that. Okay. Now if you look at, you will see there's a problem here. The first element has no underline. What is the problem? I'm trying to look at it myself. What is the problem? Okay. I think there's an error somewhere. There is an error somewhere. The color for this A1 anchor shouldn't be this color. Shouldn't be this color. Shouldn't be this color. Yes. Makes us the colors to close this too should be okay. I did not put, okay, can you see? I did not close this. Did not close this. So when you're writing your code, you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, the code might not run properly. You can see now the first, look at the results here. You can see the first one has underline, right? So let's do the last section. That is after this div. Remember, we open the div here. So it is after this div. Then I'm going to open another one called footer. So footer. Then I have inside my footer, I have a paragraph. Then I can say copyright. Okay, copyright. Then to have that C icon, this copyright icon, you use your ampersand sign, ampersand copy. You can see if you want to have any of these, can you see them? You can see a lot of them. Let me use ampersand comma. Let's say it look like, what do you have? Can we see that will give you comma, ampersand AC. Let's see what I will give you. Can you see what can see the output right here, right? So let's check. So you can just play around. To see as many, so that next time when you'll be needing any of these, can you see? So but here what we are using is ampersand copy. You understand? So we are using ampersand copy. Ampersand copy there. 2022 by the Code Magazine. Oh yeah, so let's see what we have so far. Let's see what we have. That's what we have. Starting from the first page, starting from the topmost page rather. Okay. Okay, so okay, code magazine, blog, challenge, dashboard, service grid. Okay, let's see. We have okay. There's another thing inside here. If you look at this mockup very well, look at this mockup very well. This from this what is HTML. This each one of these hypertext is written in capital letter. That is H is written in capital letter. There's this strong, strong. Copy, cut, and put it here. Okay, T2 is capital. This T2 is capital. So just have it there. Then markup. Swap bold rather. That's your bold. So that's another thing I just noticed right now. I think there should be an italic somewhere. Yes, very good. Italic, that's the first paragraph. That's this fundamental. The fundamental technology, only fundamental, right? Fundamental, so we call it here. So that is emphasis, right? There you have that too. So when you look at the code, if there's any other thing you think I skipped, you can as well put it. So you guys, you are going to do the same thing like this. Watch the video, practice, then try to see if you can replicate something like this without looking at the video. Without looking at the video, try to repeat it like 2-3 times, then try to send your output the same way I'm going to send this, the same way I'm going to send the material. So you guys try to send the output to me. What you just have to do is this. Okay, let me see. Before then, let's check if we are done with everything here. Let's see if we are done with everything here. Yes, that's another thing I noticed here. This, why should you learn HTML? The option 5 here is having an emoji. Let me try to see if I can see the emoji here. Let's try. You can as well use window comma, right? Is it window comma? You can use window comma to, no, not comma. I think window full stop. Yes, window full stop to bring them out. I think this is Windows 10 shortcuts. Let me see this particular emoji. Guess I did not get. Okay, something like this. Something like, it's something like this, right? Yes, I think it's something like that. So we have it in our code right now. So let's check. Is there any other thing we are not doing right? Okay, I wrote copyright. Oh, sorry. Copyright. Okay. So I think everything is perfect right now. Everything is perfect right now. So try as much as you can to see, after watching the video once or twice, to see if you can replicate the same thing. So this is how you're going to do your assignments. I will do that in the next video. Thank you.